This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Most Audi owners believe battery problems happen suddenly. One day, the car starts perfectly. The next morning, it struggles. Or doesn't start at all. It feels random, unpredictable, almost like the battery just decided to fail overnight. But that's not how it actually works. In most cases, battery failure builds slowly, quietly. Day after day, something inside the car keeps drawing power, even when the engine is off. And over time, that small drain becomes a serious problem. What makes this even more interesting is that many Audi drivers are unknowingly causing it themselves, not by doing something wrong, but by using a feature that feels completely normal, comfortable, even premium. Modern Audi vehicles are designed to stay active even after you leave the car. Systems don't just shut down instantly. Instead, they enter standby mode. The infotainment system may stay partially active. Sensors remain alert. Control units continue monitoring different functions in the background. This is part of what makes Audi feel advanced and responsive, but it also means the car is never truly off. And this is where energy management becomes critical. Audi uses intelligent systems to control battery usage. It tries to limit unnecessary consumption. It shuts down certain features after a period of time, and it prioritizes essential functions. But these systems are not perfect, because they depend on how the car is used. Short drives, frequent stops, and certain active settings can prevent the battery from fully recovering. And when that happens repeatedly, the battery slowly loses charge over time. At first, you don't notice anything. The car starts normally. Everything feels fine. But then small signs begin to appear. The engine cranks slightly slower. Start-stop becomes less consistent. Electronic features may behave differently, and eventually, the car struggles to start. Most drivers assume the battery is old or defective, but in many cases, the real cause is hidden in plain sight. A feature that keeps running. A system that never fully shuts down. A setting that continues consuming power long after you leave the vehicle. And the most surprising part? Many Audi owners use this feature every single day, without ever realizing what it's doing in the background. In the next part, we'll reveal exactly which Audi setting is responsible, and why it continues draining the battery, even when you think the car is completely off. The setting that quietly drains your Audi battery is something most drivers use every single day, and that is the MMI system staying active after shutdown, especially when combined with features like keyless access and background connectivity. When you turn off your Audi, the system does not fully shut down immediately. Instead, it enters a standby state. The screen goes dark. The cabin becomes quiet. But behind the scenes, several control units are still active. The infotainment system continues running in low-power mode. The vehicle remains ready to reconnect to your phone. And in many cases, it keeps checking for signals from the key fob. This is where keyless entry systems play a major role. If your key is close to the car, for example inside your house near the door, the vehicle may continuously communicate with it. This constant communication creates small but repeated energy usage. Individually, each cycle consumes very little power, but over hours and days, it adds up, especially if the car is parked for long periods. Now combine this with short daily drives. If you frequently use the car for quick trips, the alternator doesn't have enough time to fully recharge the battery. So instead of recovering energy, the battery slowly loses it. And the more electronics remain active, the faster this process happens. Another important factor is the MMI system behavior after shutdown. Many Audi models allow the infotainment system to stay on for a short time after you turn off the engine. Some drivers stay inside the car. They check navigation, adjust settings, listen to music, or simply sit with the ignition off but electronics still running. During this time, the battery is being used without the engine recharging it. And if this happens frequently, it accelerates battery discharge. But here's the key detail most Audi owners don't realize. Even after you leave the car, the system doesn't immediately go into deep sleep. It transitions gradually. Modules shut down in stages, and some remain active longer than expected. This includes security systems, comfort access, and communication modules. That means your Audi could still be consuming power minutes, or even longer, after you've locked it. And if this happens every day, the effect becomes cumulative. Small drain, repeated constantly, until the battery starts to weaken. And because the process is so gradual, most drivers never connect the cause to the problem. They only notice the final result, a slow start, a warning message, or a completely drained battery. But there is a way to reduce this drain significantly, and it only requires a few simple adjustments. Now that you understand what's happening behind the scenes, the important question is simple. How do you stop it? The good news is that you don't need to replace anything. You don't need expensive repairs, and you don't need to change how you drive completely. You just need to make a few small adjustments. The first and most important step is managing how your Audi shuts down. Instead of leaving the infotainment system running after turning off the engine, make sure the system fully powers down. Avoid sitting in the car for long periods with the ignition off, but electronics still active, because during that time, the battery is being used without any recharge. The second step is related to keyless access. If your Audi is parked close to your house, especially near where you keep your keys, the car may constantly communicate with the key fob. This continuous signal exchange slowly drains the battery. A simple solution is to keep your keys slightly further away from the vehicle. Even a few extra meters can reduce this constant communication. In some cases, using a signal-blocking key pouch can completely stop this background activity. The third step is something many drivers underestimate: driving habits. If you mostly take short trips, the battery never has enough time to fully recharge. So even a perfectly working system will eventually lead to a weak battery. To counter this, it's important to occasionally take longer drives. This allows the alternator to properly recharge the battery and stabilize the system. But there is one more mistake that many Audi owners make, and it cancels all of these improvements. They ignore early warning signs. Modern Audi vehicles are very good at detecting battery issues. You might see reduced start-stop activity, warning messages, slower engine crank, electrical features behaving slightly differently. These are not random issues. They are early signals that the battery is under stress. Ignoring them means the problem continues to grow, until one day, the car simply doesn't start. And that's when most drivers finally react. But by then, the damage is already done. The key is to act early. Small adjustments, simple awareness, and understanding how your Audi actually behaves when it's off. Because in reality, it's never completely off. And that's exactly what makes the difference. Now, if you want to avoid hidden problems like this and discover features most Audi owners never even realize exist, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but for us, it makes a huge difference and allows us to keep bringing you these insights.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.